Guys, Cliff here, Cliff Harvey RC Planes. Welcome to my channel yet again. This is going to be probably different to what any of you have seen on my channel before, as it's going to be my first rubber powered free flight model for 45 years. So back to your roots. I've got a parcel arrived today that's going to build up into a beautiful model. So here we go. You can see what it is as I unbox it. Are you ready? What about that? And believe it or not, this is my first laser cut kit. Never had one before, so really looking forward to the build. Let's just put you back a little bit so you can see a little bit more. And let's get this shrink wrapping off. New plan, lovely. Plan. I'm just going to dive straight down for. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And quite chunky too, actually. Spinner and cowl. Obviously the rubber motor. 1/4 inch. Undercarriage wire, hardware pack. There's a cotton reel in here with green cotton on it. What's that for then? Am I being daft? Probably. Okay. 16th stringers. They feel quite nice. I mean, they're hardish. I'd sooner they were hard than soft, so yeah, that's okay. What's this? Blimey. It's sort of a hard plastic material. Obviously a dihedral brace. Firewall. Tail wheel. Not sure what that is. All will become clear, I'm sure. Oh, another interesting pack. Exhaust, air intake, half and half. Another one, the bit goes underneath. Very light, smashing. And last but by no means least, there's another piece of wire. This is not a toy. I think they're talking about the plastic bag. The aeroplane's obviously a toy, obviously. Look at that. Sheet. Okay. And the formers. That feels very nice, actually. Oh, look at that. Wing rib coming out. God. Spoiled. More wing ribs. Yes, just beautiful. Look at that. So I'm not used to this. This is luxury to me. I'll tell you what's not in here. Oh, it'd be in the plan. Oh, it's dropped out. I should have been looking for that if I hadn't have heard it. Half of B5. Oh, there's more goodies in here. Oh, look at that. Okay. White tissue. Oh, I think that plastic dihedral braces for control line models, perhaps. I assume it's a dihedral brace, perhaps it's not at all, and I'm making myself sound silly. And all looks fairly straightforward. Oh, there's the cockpit, pilot seat and instrument panel. Look at that, quite nicely detailed. It's obviously a photograph of an instrument panel. And the main fuselage plan. Huh. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Aerial radio, use black thread. Maybe that's what it's for. Or the cotton. It's a nice sized wing. I've got to say, guys, that all looks very nice. Very nice indeed. I should be starting that build the next day. The reason I bought this aeroplane is the Guillows forum. You know who you are, guys. Facebook page has little competition running. I've got probably till the end of June. It's now May the 5th, so I've got 7 weeks to build it, fly it, video it, and submit my flight. And it looked exactly the same as that. Not sure about how I'm going to colour it yet, but that's it. Next video is going to be the construction of the keel. Really looking forward to this. So thanks for checking in. Hit the little like button down below. Hit the little subscribe Spitfire just in that corner. And yeah, this is going to be fun. Any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in below, and let the building begin. Thanks for looking in, guys. Cheers.